Meaning of dreary.
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 Dreary. Dreary refers to something that is dull, gloomy, or depressing. It suggests a lack of excitement or energy, and often evokes feelings of sadness or boredom. For example, a dreary day might be overcast with gray clouds and cold rain, while a dreary movie might be slow-paced and lacking in action. The word can also be used to describe a person's mood or demeanor, such as when one feels dreary and unmotivated. Overall, dreary conveys a feeling of lifelessness and monotony, and is not typically associated with positive experiences.